Everybody, my name's Xays, and can you please like, subscribe, and hit the bell?
Hey Zay, do you want to go to the Beauty and the Beast sing-along? Do you want to sing some Beauty and the Beast songs?
No.
Ah, okay, because it's right there if you want to. Come on. You see all the art?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for the Festival of Arts. There's little stands everywhere that's selling art right now. Who's that?
Jasmine.
Thank you.
Is that Jasmine?
Uh-huh.
Where's Jasmine from?
Morocco, I think.
What movie?
Aladdin.
Aladdin. What'd you find?
Baby Yoda painting.
Baby Yoda.
And another one.
Yeah. And look, the Mandalorian.
Mandalorian. I have a Mandalorian shirt.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh.
We'll have to wear that next time.
Place.
Welcome to Japan.
Japan?
Yeah. This is where me and Mommy ate last time we came.
Is there any rides?
Rides? No, there's no rides.
So we're gonna skip?
Yeah, we're gonna skip. We're gonna go on to the next one.
I smell.
And Zay, where are we now?
We are in Japan.
Japan? Nope.
Oh, Japan's back there. Germany?
Nope.
What?
You don't know your home is.
United States of America.
Yep. We're in America.
Is there any rides?
Any rides? Nope. No rides in America. There's good food.
There's food?
Yeah, there's good food.
So we're gonna skip to Germany?
Skip on down.
I mean to, Germany?
No, next is not Germany, but we're gonna get to Germany because that's where we're gonna see the trains.
Is the trains the train rides?
No, it's a little mini train. You'll see. It's like a big train track.
Is there any rides in Alberto? We're in Italy?
Yeah. Is that where we're at right now?
Yeah. I think so.
Yep. We're in Italy. And next, Germany.
Yay, I want to see the train.
All right, let's go see the train.
I think next.
Hey, guess what? We're at the trains.
Okay, this is the train.
Yeah, look.
I don't see any trains moving.
Right
there's one, but where's the locomotive?
That is the locomotive, the front piece. It's just a different kind of train.
I want to see more trains.
Come on over here.
I want to see one go across the bridge.
All right, come over here. Let's go to the bridge. You'll see a train. There's one coming out right now.
Oh, there's a train. That's a long train.
Is that a long train?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Where's that train gonna go?
I don't know. Let's go. Let's go see.
Let's follow the train. Oh, look at that train. Where's that train going?
I don't know. Come on. Look, there's another one over here.
Oh, I think that's the train. Oh, there's another train right there. Yeah. This train is gonna go on the bridge. Oh, there's another train coming from that way. And it's gonna go. Wait, that train's just going on one track. It's not gonna go on those tracks.
Nope, it's just going on its own track.
Hello, train that goes on your own track. There's the other train that was. Oh, that train's gonna go across the bridge too.
It's going in a tunnel right now.
Yeah, and then it's gonna go across that bridge. Why is there no more trains?
I don't know. How cool is this?
Super cool. And
Super cool.
and I think there's gonna be the train gonna go on the high mountain. Oh, that's the train that's gonna go on the high mountain. Bye bye. Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? Welcome to Germany.
Well, we looked at the trains over there.
Yeah. Did you know I was born in Germany?
This one I figured we could just kind of...
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you told me.
I was born right there.
Germany.
Right there. But the real one. Did you know that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you told me.
I told you?
Yeah.
Okay. Look what I found.
Minnie and Daisy
Minnie and Daisy.
at the beach.
At the beach.
Everybody, my name's Xavier. Can you please like, subscribe, and hit the bell?